Hi everyone, I'm Evan Worth. I'm the technology teacher at Nissitissit Middle School, and I wanted to take a moment and show you something that I think will be really helpful with online learning. It's a tool called Loom. So if you click on the link right here that we provided, it's a Chrome extension, and what you can do with this is you can actually create your own videos, kind of like this one right now. Um, so here's how you install it on your computer. You need to be using Google Chrome, and you click on that link, then you go to add to Chrome. You're going to get this box that comes up. You click on add extension, and it will install, and it'll come up right here as this kind of little vortex thing right here. So then you click on this, and it's going to ask you to sign in. So the best thing to do is sign in with Google because you already have a Google account through the district. You click on sign in with Google, and it's going to ask you which Google account you want to use. You're obviously going to use your NMRSD account. Might have to take a second there, drink some coffee or tea, whatever you choose. Now when this comes in, it's going to give you a bunch of stuff to read, and basically just click on I agree. We've already used this before. It's a pretty good tool. Come on. There we go. All right. So it'll start loading, and all right, you should be installed. From here, you can click back on Loom, and as it loads, it's going to ask to use your camera. You have to click allow, and it's going to ask to use your microphone. You also need to say allow. From that point on, Loom has enough access to use your stuff. It's kind of yelling at me right now for a different reason.